Hello everyone. Today we will talk about how to remove a row from a data frame. So this is the topic that we are going to talk about. I'm just highlighting it. Okay, row from a data frame. Okay, so let's see how do we do it. In order to remove a row, we will use drop function. Okay, drop function all in small letters. Now, following are the ways in which we can use drop function. So let's see how we can use the drop function. So let's go to the first way. Okay. Okay. This is the first way. I'm just highlighting it. This is new data frame is equal to data frame name dot drop. Then I've given row name in inverted comma. Now see this row name I've given inverted comma, but if the row name is in numbers, then inverted comma is not required. I will show in the example that I've explained in the video. So one thing that you must take notice of is this one. Okay, new data frame name. तो यहाँ पे मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, मैं नए data frame का नाम दूंगा. I can give any name equal to sign, then this data frame name, that is data frame which is existing, dot drop, then the row name. Now inverted comma मैं तब दूंगा when the row is in, let's say, alphabets or letters, but if the row is in number, we don't have to give inverted comma. So this is one of the ways. And the second way is this one. Let me highlight this. What I've done is that I've given the same syntax, but here I will highlight one thing. I've mentioned axis is equal to 0. तो इसमें क्या कि आप axis argument दे भी सकते हो, नहीं भी दे सकते हो. If I don't mention, by default it takes axis as 0. Okay, अगर मैं axis 0 कर दूंगा तो that will also do. And let's look at the third way. Third way also is the same thing. The only thing that I have given is axis is equal to rows. रोज को यहाँ पे मैंने इन्वर्टेड कॉमा में दिया है, दैट इज मस्ट. एंड रोज मैंने सारा स्मॉल लेटर में लिया हुआ है. सो दिस हैज टू बी एज गिवन इन द सिंटैक्स. आप रोज को लोगे, इन्वर्टेड कॉमा के अंदर रखोगे. ओके, सो लेट्स सी ऑल दीज मेथड्स वन बाय वन. अब यहाँ पे आई विल टॉक अबाउट दिस थिंग. आप जब भी ड्रॉप यूज करो, वेदर यू आर यूजिंग दिस विद अ कॉलम और यू आर यूजिंग विद अ रो, अगर मुझे कॉलम रिमूव करना है, रो रिमूव करना है, तो आप हमेशा क्या करोगे, नए डेटा फ्रेम में असाइन करोगे. देन ओनली द चेंजेस विल बी रिफ्लेक्टेड. अदरवाइज if I don't assign it to a new data frame, the changes will not be reflected. So let me show you in the example. So I have Python opened up. I have created a data frame. The name of the data frame is data. Okay, and we have got the columns. Let me highlight age, section, city, gender. Then I've got favorite underscore color. Then let me look at the row. The rows that we have got is 0. Then I've got 1. Then I've got 2. Then I've got 3. Then 4. So यहाँ पे the rows that we have, they are numbers. So let me delete this sixth row. So what will I write? I simply write data because it is the name. पर मैंने बोला था कि मैं नए वाले डेटा फ्रेम एक का, so let me give data 1. This is the name of the new data frame that I want, is equal to data dot drop. I've given this bracket. Which row do I need to drop? 6. I'll mention 6. Okay, let me hit enter. Let me print data 1. So if you look at data 1, we don't have row 6. 0 we have, I'm just highlighting. 1 we have, 2 we have, then 3 we have, 4 we have, 5 we have, but we don't have 6. So this is, see, I'll just highlight this command. Why this is important? Because ये क्या होगा कि it will create a new data frame data 1, and then it will store the dropped row inside it. अगर if I write like this, let's say मुझे क्या करना है, मुझे 5th वाले रो को ड्रॉप करना है, हटाना है, for example this row. And if I don't create a new data frame, what will happen? So let me write, I'll just write data dot drop. Okay, I'm writing 5. I'm giving axis is equal to 0, the second way. Okay, तो axis मैंने बोला आप दे भी सकते हो, नहीं भी दे सकते, that is up to me. So let me hit enter. So यहाँ पे अगर आप देखोगे, see, if you look here, So 1 2 0 1 2 3 4 6 5 has been removed. Okay, I'll just show you. Okay, 3 2 is there, 3 4. We don't have 5, but actually if I type data, the 5 has not been removed. Okay, let's see, 5 is present here. तो मैंने क्या बोला था कि आप नए डेटा फ्रेम बनाओगे, then you will store the deleted row. So मैं यहाँ पे data 2 बनाता हूँ. Data 2 is equal to data dot drop. I want to remove 5. Then I'll give let's say access is equal to, मैं ये रोज देता हूँ. रोज में इट इज मस्ट टू गिव इन्वर्टेड कॉमा, और जो भी रोज एक्सेस आर्गुमेंट में रोज सारे स्मॉल लेटर्स में होंगे. ठीक है, देन लेट मी हिट एंटर. सो व्हाट इट विल डू इज दैट इट विल क्रिएट अ न्यू डेटा फ्रेम जिसका नाम होगा डेटा 2, एंड इट विल हैव द entire data frame, but column 5 will not be there. So let me hit enter. Okay, मैं data 2 टाइप करूँ. Let's see, we have got row 0, then I've got 1 2 3 4 6. I don't have 5. So we have seen how to remove a row from a data frame. We will use this drop function. Access argument is not required. By default access is 0. Okay, and we will always give this create a new data frame. This has to be kept in mind. Okay, when we are removing a row or when we are removing a column using a drop function, we have to create a new data frame. Why? Because so that the changes are reflected in that new data frame. If I don't create a new data frame, the changes will not be reflected. वो केवल डिस्प्ले के समय दिखाएगा कि this has been deleted, but actually वो row is still existing in data frame. Okay, I'll just show you. मैं जैसे 4 करता हूँ, मुझे 4 रिमूव करना है, तो डेटा डॉट ड्रॉप मैंने कर दिया केवल 4. अब यहाँ पे नहीं दिखा रहा है, बट इफ आई टाइप डेटा, यहाँ पे सीधा 4 इज हेयर. ओके, तो वी सॉ वन एग्जांपल जहाँ पे आई हैव नॉट यूज्ड इन्वर्टेड कॉमा. यहाँ पे जो हमारा रो था, जस्ट गिव मी अ मोमेंट, दिस रो we were using number. So let me create one more data frame which has got the actual row having letters. So okay, I'll just copy and paste it. Okay, df3 is the name of the data frame. Up suppose karo to see, now look at the row name. Okay, group 1, then I've got group 2. Okay, let me remove group 1. So what I will do, I will create a new data frame. Let me create a new d4 is equal to df3 dot drop. यहाँ पे मैंने दिया, मैं group 1 कर रहा हूँ, इन्वर्टेड कॉमा ग्रुप का G कैपिटल जैसा है वैसा ही मैं दूंगा, and 1 again I will close this inverted comma. Let me hit enter. Now let us check df4. So group 1 does not exist any longer. So you have seen that यहाँ पे मैंने inverted comma क्यों दिया, because we have letters in the row. That is why I've used inverted comma. So that's it for today. I hope everyone is able to understand. It's very simple. So that's it from my end. Thank you everyone for watching this video.